This video will teach you all about big data and the different types of big data. Hi, my name is The Alchemist, and in this video I'm going to teach you everything there is to know about big data. We'll be talking about what it does and what kind of information it gathers. I'll also introduce 3 common types of big data so that you can get a better understanding on how they work together. Let's dive right in. But first, let's see what big data means. Big data is a collection of large and complex data that cannot be managed nor processed by traditional tools. Big data has become such an important problem for today's business community because it contains huge amounts of information about customer behavior, preferences, demographics, etc., which are critical to identifying new opportunities or improving existing products or services in the marketplace. Now let's discuss some of the examples of big data. The New York Stock Exchange is one of the well-known examples of big data in the United States. Every day, about a terabyte of new trade data comes out from this company, which makes it an important source for researchers and companies alike that are interested in understanding how markets work in different scenarios. Even the Facebook users contribute to this new form of data. Every day, Facebook users generate 500 plus terabytes of data. The most common forms include photo and video uploads, message exchanges, and comments on other posts. But there is a question: do jet engines produce big data? The answer is yes. According to a recent study, every single jet engine produces 10 plus terabytes of data in 30 minutes. If you consider the number of flights taking place per day and multiply it by how much time these engines are actually turned on each day, that's when we get into petabyte territory, which is huge for big data. Now let's talk about the types of big data. There are 3 types of big data. Number 1, structured big data. Structured data is data which falls within a predefined set of categories or fields. For example, you would expect to see specific fields when looking at customer information, name, address, date of birth, etc. Structured big data is often used by businesses and other organizations to identify trends and patterns in the way products are bought, how customers behave, and how markets change. Number 2, unstructured big data. Unstructured data does not fall within predefined categories or fields. It's more difficult to analyze as the information held in this type of data is generally more open to interpretation. Examples of unstructured data include images, sound, video, and text. For example, a written blog post would be considered unstructured data. Number 3, semi-structured big data. Semi-structured data is a combination of unstructured and structured big data. This type of big data falls somewhere between the two. It is not quite as complex to analyze as unstructured due to predefined categories or fields, but it isn't quite as clear-cut in its structure like traditional structured data either. Semi-structured information is usually found in documents, emails, or reports. These were some of the basics of big data. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like that. Tell us in the comments section about how much you liked the video and any topic that you would like to hear from us. Thank you, from The Alchemist.